Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, May 2nd, and we're going to take a look really quick at TradeStation and specifically how we can add moving averages from different time frames on the same price chart. Okay, and one of the ways we use this intraday, we look at things like a 15 and a 30-minute moving average on top of a 2-minute price chart, and it can help you with directional bias. Well, we'll do the same thing. I'll show you how we set that up here, but we'll use some longer time frames. So first off, what you're going to have to do, we're going to need to bring in the data for the other two time frames that we plan on plotting moving averages on. So let's go right click, you go insert symbol. Let's say we're going to add at GC. We're on a prompt for format, and we'll plot it. So this is the first time frame we're going to add it on, and let's say we're going to add a 240-minute price chart. So add 240-minute price bar. Then before we plot it, we're going to go to the Style tab here. We're going to change the transparency to clear so you cannot see it. The other thing you can do is you can just check this Make Price Data Invisible box. And then we're going to go to the Scaling tab. We're going to change it to No Axis. We want to put it on subgraph 1. All right, so it's going to be plotted on the same subgraph as our 30-minute price chart that's already up there. And then we'll hit OK. All right, so now you can't see it, but there's also a 240-minute price chart plotted up here. We're going to then go and insert symbol once again. So let's say we're going to add gold once more. And let's say we're going to put a daily on here. Actually, no, we'll do a 480-minute. So we'll add a 480-minute price bar. Style, once again, we're going to change it to clear, or you can check that box or check that box to make price data invisible. We'll change the scaling. We want to go no axis. We want to go subgraph 1. And we hit OK. So now we have our 30-minute price chart, our 240 and our 480. The 240s and 480s are hidden in the background. Then what do? Then we're going to insert our analysis techniques. We're going to go moving average. We'll do an exponential moving average, and then we'll add another exponential moving average. So we're going to have two exponential moving averages on here. All right, and we're going to go format analysis technique. We'll format them. Let's say we want to do two different 9 EMAs, right? We'll leave it set at 9. So what we'll do is we'll go to the general tab. We'll make this first one based off of the 240-minute price chart. All right, we're going to make this a yellow one. So the yellow moving average is going to be a 9 EMA or 9 exponential moving average on a 240-minute price bar. Then we hit OK. The second one, you can see right there where it says data 2. So it's the second data. Now this second moving average, we're going to format it. We'll leave it at blue or cyan. We'll go back to the general tab. We're going to plot this one on the 480-minute price chart. Okay. So now that's on data 3. Let me hit close, and now you can see here's our 240 and 480-minute moving averages plotted on a 30-minute price chart. So why is this helpful? Well, you can use it to help you with directional bias. So for example, we can say, all right, we're bearish between there and here, and then we're bullish between there and here. So we have bearish bias in there, a bullish bias in here, then we're back to bearish bias over here. Okay. And we can look to buy and sell retracements or breakouts or dips all within the context of our bias. And we could have said, by the way, previously, bullish bias on the way up in there. All right, so that's just one way of adding and bringing in multiple time frames and doing multiple time frame analysis on a single price chart. And it's very simple. All we're doing is we're looking at moving averages based on some hidden data. But that is it for today. Don't forget, by the way, if you enjoyed this, if it's helping you out, like and subscribe to the channel so you can get updates and notifications whenever we post new videos. But that's it for now. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.